What's up YouTube? I'm Alex Carpenter, and today I wanted to show you how to add a loading state to your buttons. If you're using a button to submit a form over Ajax or something that's happening within your application where you need to show that a state change is happening, this is just a quick and easy way to show that via this button. So what we're going to do is show you how to implement that via CSS. So right here you can see I have some styling applied to this button over here, and then I also have, when I click this button, I'm just toggling this is loading class, and that's where we're going to be applying our state to. So if I just toggle this, you can see that being applied and removed. And that's just for the sake of this demo. You'll want to do something where you're submitting a form, add this class, and then upon success, remove that class. So to start, let's see, we got our button here. What we're going to do is create a circle in the middle of our button that is a half circle, and then it's just going to spin around on itself as it is loading. And how we're going to do that is we're going to add an after element to our button. So we'll do after. We'll add an empty content declaration here. And we're going to want that to be a width of 1 rem and a height of 1 rem. And then we'll do a border of 2 pixels, solid white. Next, what we'll do is, knowing that our width and height are 1 rem, we can do a little bit of calculation when we absolutely position this circle inside of our button. So we'll do button or position absolute, and then we'll do top calc 50%, and then we're just going to subtract 0.5 rem. And we'll also do that for the left declaration as well. Alright, so now we got that. We can do a border radius of 50%. And then we can save that and reload our page. We should see we got a circle in the middle of our button now. Let me just hide this text here really quick. So I'll just copy this color and just set that color for the time being. Alright, so now we can just see this button, or this loading indicator shown for us for the time being while we're building this out. Next, what we'll want to do, like I said, we're creating a half circle, so we got to remove the border. We're going to remove the top and left side. So we'll do border, top, color, and we'll just make that transparent. We'll do that for the left side as well. So you can see that gets us our half circle that we were looking for. Next thing that we'll want to do is create our animation. So we're just going to do a keyframe keyframes, and we're just going to call that spin. And what we'll do is we'll do from transform, and we'll rotate 0 degrees. We'll just copy that, and that'll go to, and that 2 will go to 359. Alright, so now we just need to apply that animation to our after element. So what we can do is do animation, and that's going to be spin, and we want that to be happening over 500 milliseconds. We want that to be linear and also infinite. Alright, so if we save that and refresh our page, we are not spinning. So why aren't we spinning here? Oh, top. Alright, resave that, refresh. Alright, cool. Now we can see we got our loading indicator. So pretty much in this state, this is what we want our button to look like when the isLoading class is applied. So by default right now it's not applied, so what we'll want to do is kind of backtrack and bring back our text and then hide this. So what we're going to do is apply opacity of 0 to hide that spinner, and then let's bring back that color, so that was white. Alright, so now we're back to our initial state of the button, and when we click this we can see that isLoading is applied. So now we can do is go down here, we can target C button is loading. And to hide that text, we're just going to do color transparent. So now when I click that button, our text fades away, text fades in and out as that class is applied. Next, we just need to bring that spinning indicator in as well. So we'll do C button is loading, and we're just going to target the after element, and we'll just set the opacity to 1. So now when we click this, we can see our loading indicator show up and our text fade in and out. That's pretty much it. It's really simple to implement. We can make this a little bit fancier with some other animations, but that's the general gist of how to add a loading state to your buttons. Thanks for watching.